Alright, so today I picked up the ursuluna Xbox. So I'm gonna open it up to see what I get. Alright, so I gotta open it up. Let's see, just a box. Oops. So there's the promo, I think that's what it is. Kind of don't really like these. Not my favorite, but yeah. So what actually comes in this pack? Let's see. One big old card. Oops. And then, so one Surgeon Spark, Stellar Crown, Surgeon Spark, Scarlet and Violet. So only 4-pack. Huh. That'll be 5. Well. Let's see. Yeah, I get stuck. I don't know the card tricks, so I won't be doing it, but if anybody wants it. So seems like there's nothing in this pack. Nope. Yeah. Togekiss. Nothing. Nothing worth. But some cards I don't have for my finger belt, so yeah, that's good. So this one's the Stellar Crown. Let's see. What is in here? I have no idea what this deluxe bomb is, but it looks cool. I think it's like a rare illustration. I'm not sure. And then there's I have no idea what this is. It looks cool though. Let's open this one. Yeah, I don't even know what these cards are used for. Anything good? Nope. Okay, the last one. Nothing. Well, this pack sucks.